Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing good. If you are one of those people who has received an email from AdSense concerning payment cancellation, an email like this saying that a payment account was cancelled. Your payment account AdSense publisher ID for Google AdSense was recently cancelled. If your balance is greater than $10, you will receive your final payment from the cancelled payments account during the next cycle. Any payments less than $10 won't be processed. Any other active payments account associated with the Google AdSense will not be affected. Thank you, the Google AdSense team. If you received an email like this, you don't have to worry. I'm very sure about this. I think this is a bug from AdSense. There is nothing to worry about. Several guys has received this email. You just have to check your AdSense if it's active and your YouTube account is still associated with your Google AdSense. Just relax. I am very sure that this is just a bug from AdSense. So don't worry at all. I have seen a lot of people are likely to panic about this. I repeat, this is just a bug from AdSense. So don't worry. If you have got this email, please just comment below and tell me what you think about this. Thank you.